Now, Bumiputeras have an average of fewer than 20 months after retirement at the age of 55 to continue surviving based on their estimated retirement expenses and the amount of their Employees Provident Fund savings. Analytics and Information Technology of the Bumiputra Agenda Leading Unit Director of Research, Nazree Rahman said this was much lower compared to the Chinese and Indians who have longer average periods of 49 and 30 months respectively. A study by Taraju found that Bumiputeras from the age group between 40 to 64 have less EPF savings compared to other races, despite recording the highest number of contributors. Nazree said this was due to less average income earned by the Bumiputeras in comparison with the Chinese and Indians, reducing the total value of contributions in the EPF.
Point utama sebabnya kurang is because Pendapatan, saya bagi contoh satu data. Di sini pendapatan boleh guna antara Bumiputera, China dan India pada tahun 2019 dikeluarkan oleh Jabatan Perangkaan. Sini mengatakan pendapatan boleh guna penengah, median income, Bumiputera hanyalah RM4,721 sebulan. Berbanding dengan China RM6,397 dan India RM5,100. Di situ kita dah dapat lihat dah ada ketinggalan sedikit di situ.
Another factor, Bumiputeras having less savings in the EPF than other races is because 90.83% of the public service and defence employees are Bumiputera, where they have the option to not contribute to the EPF and instead take pensions. He said this after appearing in Bernama TV's Ruang Bicara program on Monday. He added that the data by Taraju suggests monthly retirement expenditure for Bumiputeras, especially in urban areas, is much higher at RM4,775 compared to RM2,951 per month for rural areas, thus accelerating the rate of expenditure on their EPF savings. This, coupled with a low amount of income and savings, will reduce their survival period after they retire. Nazree's solution to this issue is offering various long and short-term programs to increase income and savings, such as the in-scan business training and micro-connector program training schemes, which aim to help employees keep their skills relevant and help them become more competitive in the labour market.
Tapi jangka masa panjang, perlulah memperkasakan perniagaan perusahaan seperti insentif dana pinjaman mudah kepada PKS, contohnya kemudahan otomasi digital PKS, sokongan penggunaan teknikal dan digitalisation pada PKS itu adalah penting.
Thus, the Bumiputra Development Action 2030 was born based on those needs, as Taraju joined hands with the public and private sectors to develop a new direction. Said action plan outlines several initiatives, including establishing strategic partnership with foreign investors for the development of Bumiputra SMEs, to enabling them access to financing from foreign investors and support business expansion globally. Apart from that, cooperation with non-Bumiputra companies is also given main emphasis to help them bid for projects offered by organizations in and outside the country, besides implementing international joint efforts to achieve the aspirations of Keluarga Malaysia.